Download the printer drivers from hidglobal.com/drivers. Run the terminal application. List the directories and files. Now change the directory where the DTC1500 driver file is saved. List to confirm that the file exists. Unzip the file which is downloaded from the official HID Global driver site. Go to the unzipped directory. Change the driver install sh script mode to have the execute permission. Change the root user. Run the driver install sh script to add the DTC1500 driver to the system. Then reboot. Add the printer instance. Go to the local host 631/admin. The Common Unix Printing System or CUPS administration page will be loaded. Click on Administration. Click Add Printer and enter administrator credentials to authorize the task. Click on App Socket HP Jet Direct, then Continue. Type in the printer IP address. Then Continue. Name the printer DTC1500. Enter description and its location. Then Continue. Now select the manufacturer HID. Then Continue. DTC1500 card printer driver will be populated in the model. DTC1500 card printer driver options are available. Once the printer is installed, you can send a test print.